Give a warm welcome to Jodi Benson. Hello, my friends. Welcome, welcome. Are you so excited to see the show? Yes. Well, I had a sneak peek a few weeks ago. I had the opportunity to surprise the cast in the middle of their rehearsal process. And let me tell you, it is so magical. And I had the opportunity to watch their very first run-through. So it's changed and grown a lot in the last couple of weeks. So just like with all of you, I get to sit in the audience and watch our beautiful show for the very, very first time. Now, you know that I am the voice of Ariel, and it is an honor to get to represent our film. But we are so excited for all of you to celebrate with us in opening up this theater and having our new musical adventure. And it's just exciting to have this theater come back to life. A long time ago, when our first show opened, my kids were itty bitty. And so all these years have passed, and it was so emotional to sit in this theater to watch this brand new, technical, magical show to be able to experience. And representing our film on behalf of everybody with the Little Mermaid, now that I've been with the film now for almost 39 years. It's hard to believe, I know, it's crazy, isn't it? But I'm so honored to represent our story, and anytime we can share our story with anybody, it brings me so much joy, so much joy. So, on behalf of The Little Mermaid, a musical adventure, welcome to our very first special preview for all of you. And we are so excited that you are here. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your world for all these many, many years. Enjoy the show.